morning, everybody. Just made it back to the parkway. Camped way back in there. Seen that Pixie National Forest that was just back there a little ways. So I got off the Blue Ridge Parkway boundary and camped in Pixie. But it took me a little while to find a flat spot that didn't have briars and stuff. But yeah, it's about 7:30 and we got about 4.5 or so. Well, we got a big up in between here and there. But we're going to take it easy and get to Little Switzerland, and hopefully that general store is open when we get there. So yeah, but anyways, after that we start climbing up towards Mount Mitchell, and it's going to be a lot of uphill all day. So that's why I'm trying to get an early start, and we'll see where we end up. I did just a hair under 26 miles yesterday. It was like 25.8. But yeah, anyways, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll get back to you here in just a little while. It's not all fun and games whenever you biking. Sometimes you just have to, sometimes you're better off just walking the bike. This is a big hill going up to Little Switzerland. Holy shit. Finally made it to the top of this climb. Man, we're at 3875. That's the highest point I've been at, I think, so far. And man, we started out at like 3200, and then we dropped down to like right around the same. And then this last little while I've been climbing up to here. That was a tough climb out of Little Switzerland. Whew. And I just now got to the end of it. It was about 5 miles total, and nothing but mainly uphill. And this last one was pretty damn steep in places. But now we got drop down and we got a couple little bumps and then we got another big climb. But yeah, we've only gone like 10 miles so far today. I went down to Little Switzerland and everything was closed up. But I got an early start today because I knew I was going to be slow going, because I knew it's mainly uphill until we get to Mount Mitchell, Craggy Gardens area. So today we're just going to try to get as far as we can. And well, I don't know about as far as we can, but I know an awesome spot, because we're coming up here in about, I don't know, we're going to be around the Mountain to Sea Trail here pretty soon. And I can easily take it and get off of the Blue Ridge Parkway property to get somewhere to camp, and I'll just push my bike on it. So, yeah, so we'll find somewhere to camp after a while. But we're probably not going to hit no 25, 30 miles today. We might get close to 20. Because today is kicking my butt.